Hey Starseeds, September is here, which means you're heading back to work or school. The good news is that I can't wait to share with you this amazing vegan blueberry muffin recipe. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm here every week freeing all beings one recipe at a time, together. Let's do it! So before we get into mixing the ingredients, we need to first make our vegan eggs. So all you have to do is take a can of chickpeas and pour a little bit of the chickpea water into a bowl. Now with a mixer on high, you're going to mix the liquid for about 7 minutes until you see this amazing magic happen, okay? You're gonna notice that the liquid is getting frothy and resembles egg whites. So once that's done, you're gonna set the bowl aside, and to another bowl, you're gonna add in 1 cup of vegan yogurt. Now I'm using Koko yogurt in this recipe, and I love using this brand for baking. Then you're going to go ahead and add in 3 tablespoons of your vegan egg, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 5 pitted mashed medjool dates. And this is gonna give us the sweetness in this muffin recipe. You're gonna take your whisk and you're just going to further mash the dates and incorporate it into this amazing, delicious, creamy yogurt mixture. And once that's done, you're going to set the bowl aside. And now to a separate bowl, you're going to add in your 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and you're going to mix that up. And then you're going to take your dry ingredients and just put it into the wet ingredients. So you're just going to mix this up. You're gonna make sure that all the ingredients are nicely incorporated, but you don't wanna overmix your batter, okay? So if you see little bits of flour here and there, don't worry about it. So now all we're gonna do is we're going to add in 1 1/4 cup of fresh, delicious blueberries into our batter. And again, you don't wanna overmix. So once that's done, you're gonna take your batter and pour it into your muffin tray. Either you're going to use a coconut oil spray so that your batter doesn't stick, or you can use muffin cups or some parchment paper. So in the oven they go for about 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So these blueberry muffins are loaded with blueberries and slightly sweetened with only 5 dates in the entire recipe. They're really moist, dense, and slightly sticky on the inside. Now these are super delicious and perfect for anybody who's trying to avoid sugar. Also, make sure that the yogurt you're using in this recipe is one that you actually enjoy eating on its own, because the flavor of the yogurt is really gonna come through once these muffins are baked. Oh my God, these are so incredibly delicious, guys, and I can't even believe that they're refined sugar-free. Look at all these blueberries, and it's just one of the most amazing recipes that I've come up with for muffins. Okay guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I'm here freeing all beings one recipe at a time, together with you, okay? Also, if you haven't left a comment down below, leave a comment. Let me know how you like these muffins. So I hope you enjoy these blueberry muffins, and I hope you make them for your loved ones and your friends, okay? So guys, I will see you next week for the next recipe. See you later!